today, coasting and traveling, is gonna love Kentucky's largest indoor and outdoor flea market. Now, what do I always say? Let's get it! Alright, coasting and traveling here at Kentucky's largest flea market, guys. We are at Flealand. Alright, 100 outdoor vendors, and then inside 300. Guys, last time we were here was probably fall. New mini golf out here. This is right in Bowling Green, and look, I'm gonna zoom in. Look at that Buc-ee's sign. Yes, we will be going to Buc-ee's. On this trip, you will see that vlog. That vlog will probably be out before this one. But let's head on over to the outdoor market, guys. There is tons here. Hubs and I love this place. We came here, one of the first places we visited starting this channel. Check out, it is one of the very first shorts 10 months ago. So we're gonna head over. I'm not gonna show you everything, but I'm gonna give you a full overhaul. Let's get it. All right, guys, so over here is the outdoor market. They have everything you can think of. And I just keep seeing my best friend Bucky overlooking us. Hubs is like, come on, man. And special guests here today. We do have Cecilia Madison. What do you always tell them, CC? Hit that subscribe, hit that like and comment, and don't be a troll to my mom. And keep in mind, guys, this is open year-round. I don't know about the outdoor vendors. You can, if you want to sell things, you can come out here and rent a table or inside. Also rent one of the inside. And in the summer and spring, guys, this place is packed with full produce, plants. So definitely a place to check it out. Now let's get it. Guys, when I say they have everything, they have everything. You got snacks over here, and they are discounted, and they got Valentine's. Oh, yeah. It looks like you've got so much stuff over here. You've got jewelry. You've got antiques. You've got anything you can imagine. And like I said, this is year-round. Now, it is a little cold, but what I'm saying is, it is springtime. This place is fully full. In fact, when we got here, Hubs said, I can't believe we got a parking space all the way up front. So we're going to keep on going on, show you guys an overview. Like I said, this place is still packed for this time of year. And this is March. This is beginning of March, guys. So I'm going to show you. Oh my God, they got all kinds of stuff, guys. Oh my God, I love a flea market. Oh, look at that steamer, guys. Oh, I could do some crabs in there. Walking down here, guys, and there are some empty booths. It is cold, but I have to tell you, some people that saw me last summer always told me they love my earrings, and I actually got my earrings, the donuts, the M&Ms, all those. I usually will buy like a big set right before the season so I can switch it up, and they have to be viable, guys, to stay on the coasters. So this is where I bought him, but he is not here. So hopefully maybe before it gets maybe when it gets a little warmer, he'll be back. But there's still a lot of people out here, guys. Oh my God. Let me give you guys a perspective. So we started all the way back there. Usually these are all filled. And like I said, it is cold. It is still cold, but usually, and you can get the best plants, the best produce here at Flealand. I'm telling you. We got nothing but car stuff. I'm going to try to have to get Hubs away from this stuff. Okay, we've made our way up from, we were down there. We started all the way over there. It's point of reference, that Buc-ee's sign. And when we come up here, there's usually, like I said, a lot more people. So we're going to head in, and I'm going to try to get myself together. Hubs. Hold on, guys. Oh my God. Okay, they have an antique place in here, guys. My grandparents gave my parents one of these freaking gliders, and we must have redone it a couple times growing up. Hubs knows. Now this one, not in the best shape. Hubs knows that when I find one, I want to redo it. Take rust remover, And this, guys, I think might be a lost hope. Oh my gosh, Hubs. Look at it. There's no hope in that?
It would take some definite refurbishing.
Refurbishing major. Oh my goodness, man. Anybody sees this vlog, they're good at refurbishing. You DM Coastin' and Traveling and we'll talk. And then come down and meet at Flealand. And I turn the corner. Look at these signs, guys. You are going to be outfitting a like man cave or a downstairs play area for an adult. So I could think, but look at this, guys. Holy moly, guys, look. And I went up to it. It's like solid, okay? What does this say? $2.75, but look at that. Can you imagine if you're a Miller genuine draft drinker and putting that in your house? Get the heck out of here. All right, we made it all the way to the back. There is one other side. We're gonna make our way up, and I'm looking around, and they have a freaking Cal Ripken trash can. If you know, you know. All right, so we've made our way back up to the front. That's the entrance to the Flealand, and we're gonna go down one more aisle. This is just more and more stuff, and I love it. Alright, so I'm depressed because I was looking for a piece that my mom had that we saw here last time and it's gone, but look what I just found, guys. Oh my god, that is probably one of the biggest ones I have ever seen. I have two. I have my grandmother's. I have a smaller one. But this, guys, this is massive. This is 4 sections, $125. They come with these. What you do, you insert these little things in here, and when it lights up, bing, bang, boom, you've got a beautiful spectacle. All right, guys, we made it out of the antique center, so we have now walked into the actual indoor Flealand. This is Rugland. They are awesome, guys. I actually talked to the owner the first time we were here, and the prices are phenomenal. Look, 4x6 up there, $89. What? A 5x7 for $149. Look at all the options. I love Rugland here. You guys gotta check it out. I'm telling you, the prices are phenomenal, and the owner is even better. All right, so you see Rugland. There are many aisles in this place. We're gonna go down. I'm gonna give you an overview. Anything you can think of. Thank you for your service, sir. Anything you can think of, this place has, okay? I do love FLIPPIN, LAMAR'S. He's got great stuff in here. Let's see it. All right, guys. So this is FLIPPIN LAMAR'S. FLIPPIN LAMAR'S was always nice to Coastin' and Traveling. One of the first places I ever vlogged here, and I told him, I said, Coastin' and Traveling's getting a little better. So I have to highlight you. Guys, if you need any kind of video games, you get to see the Hot Wheels here. But you need anything, any kind of video games, any system, FLIPPIN LAMAR'S is the place to come to here at the Kentucky Flealand. Look at this. They got this old school. Look at that PlayStation. Coastin' and Traveling loves vintage. You come down here to FLIPPIN LAMAR'S. All right, another shout out to Travis and Ashton at FLIPPIN LAMAR'S. We just love them. Guys, you guys have to come down and see them and visit their shop and buy tons of games. So we're going to keep going back. So this goes all the way back, and then we are going to loop up and go all the way back there to the other aisles. Now, Coastin' and Traveling has not found anything to buy yet. I will not be buying you, Borat, but he is funny. Okay, and all that there is, which I am a former clarinet, bassoon, and piano player, tons of musical equipment, Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Don't hit me with that country music there, YouTube. Alright guys, and shout out to Dave, he's the owner of the Kentucky Music Store back here, 2 locations, been in business for 35 years. So we're gonna go all the way to the front and go check out another aisle. Okay guys, as you see, we just came out. That's building E. I guess building E, I apologize, it's not aisle. We're coming through here. Looks like a lot of custom mugs, very nice. And then we're going to go all the way down to building D and keep on going on. First, Coastin' and Travelin's gonna make a lavatory. A lavatory stop. All right, going down aisle D, here we go. Let's got it. They just, like I said, tons and tons of different vendors. Everything under the roof. You got that right. All right, we've made it back. They have a little arcade area, and then it's a super store, all kinds of groceries in here. Coastin' and Travelin's gonna walk in, Hub's staying out with the wild guys. Coastin' and Travelin's having a ball in here. Look at this. Holy moly. And we each just got, I talked Hubs into coming in here, a chocolate moon pie. They're 50 cents. Me and Hubs love a moon pie, and I try to stay away from them, but guess what? I'm not today for 50 cents. Guys, they have everything in here, and they are pretty good prices. All right, guys, we are shopping. They've got Centrum women gummies for $1. That nice gentleman over there, he actually was all the way up on another aisle, and they have built this out in a way that is phenomenal. Look, Subway sauce, $1. But I just found the Mecca, and I need to find out what size these are. These are $6. Look at the Sandy. And then they zip up. Can you see Coastin' and Travelin wearing these to Holiday World? Let's see. Look what Coastin' and Travelin just bought. Oh, you're going to see me at Holiday World this season. You can bet your butt. And guys, they built, I'll show you where their shop used to be, but that whole shop is there. We got so much stuff. So much stuff. We got K-Cups. We got snacks for Hubs for the next 2 weeks. Guys, and those shoes, I only paid 20 bucks. Okay, so when you are down here at Flealand, you better go see my friends all the way back. This is aisle D, and it's the Superstore. And Travelin sent you. And yeah, we're going to go up and check out. Hubs is very happy with the amount of money that old Coastin' and Travelin has not spent. All right, so we're coming out over here, guys. They got some snacks. You got milkshakes, popcorn, and it does smell very, very good. There is another entrance right over here, and then you also have the grill at Flealand, some more vendors, and then you're gonna go down into building C. Here we go, guys. All right, so we have come through. So right here, that whole thing. So as you can see, there's another aisle. There's just aisles everywhere. All right, guys, so I just went over here to Scotty's. This is right before you walk into aisle C, and they are making me a custom YouTube at Coastin' and Travelin car decal. So I've needed that, and she has everything. She can do anything. Everything over here is awesome at Scotty's. So shout out again to Scotty's. Thank you, sweetheart, for making my car decal. And guys, if you want to go check out her YouTube channel, it is Eggscaping Suburbia, and you're gonna see that. It should be right here. So go sub up. All right, we have come all the way to the back of aisle C. We are in C, I believe. Still, this is a Flealand vendor of the week, Tammy's Bargains. You guys got to come down here and see Tammy's Bargains, because she's got a lot, and it really looks good. Right, guys, we have one more building. We've got the beach bend sign, and as I always say, which they don't like me to say. Get your butts down to Beach Bend. All right, we have made our way into the very last aisle. This is B. And I would say that Hubs is going to be very, very excited about not spending any more money. But we've done pretty good. They have everything, guys. Everything that you can think of. We got freeze-dried candy. We've got a baby boutique. It says burgers. I'd like to know where they are. They're probably back here. And look at this, Hubs. Holy moly, wouldn't you like to, if that was like a big, is that one of those big cow? I don't know. Coaching and Traveling, still happy about the Santa Claus shoes that I just got. So honestly, my day's already been made. All right, guys, that is going to do it for us here at Kentucky's largest flea market, Flealand. Love Flealand. Love all the vendors. Yes, subscribe to Coasting and Traveling. Every time I have done this outro, guys, 3 freaking times, and this one's sticking. So, as Coasting and Traveling always tells you, do what you love what you do. Keep on coasting, keep on traveling, and keep on coming down here to Kentucky's largest flea market, Flealand. Now, see ya.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good.